Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch IPS touchscreen special Android 9 head units special for Ford Expedition 27 to 2017 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Here's the box. Canvas already built in head unit. This harness and the parts. This Tesla style screw. Okay, you can check this Tesla style screw. Okay. Let me show harness it first. Okay, this is special harness for the expedition. This ISO harness, you can connect it to our back of head unit. ISO standard harness, and this may power. This connect on back. And this power connector. Okay, you can check it. Okay, and this connector. And this. And it comes with this radio antenna. And this GPS antenna. Okay. This camera adapter, OEM adapter, this camera plug, and this RCA cable. Support factory backup camera. Okay, and this original USB. Head unit come with these two USB antenna on back. This connect to our back port. Okay, this AUX input. AUX input left and right. Okay, this screws. And this audio cable on back. This camera in. RCA tab. And this video out 1 and the video out 2. This video input and its video input front. This and this reserve 12 voltage. This power. This back power. This front power. Okay, and this AUX. And RCA type this subwoofer. This RCA right, left, and rear, front output. Okay, let me show what you need. Okay, you can check back. Let me check the back. This is dangerous button, you can check. And the built-in microphone, this is reset hole, this is dangerous button. Plug. Okay. Android 9 system. Let me check the back. You can check this dash kit. This connector. Let me check. This dash kit and this back and this top kit. Okay, you can check this heat sink. Okay, let me check the back. You can check this ISO connector, this fuse. This for audio cable and the other USB. And the radio antenna, this GPS antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. This external microphone port. Audio cable, you can connect this. And USB connection, you connect on back. Okay. Let me find something to stand the head unit. This front. Okay, let me connect the power connection on back. Okay, it started for the expedition. Okay, let me adjust the screen. The back. It's very big screw. 17. Okay, you can check that this is who screw head units. Okay, then you can check. This is brightness, and this radio. You can search the radio stations. This is amplifier, DSP amplifier. Strong bass. This back button, this home button, and it will show the AC information on this. It supports AC information display and control on touch screen. Okay. This navigation, it's built in Google Maps, and radio, music, and then let me check the settings. But tablet, you can check this PX6 RK339 and Android 9 system, Pi system. Okay. And all apps are here. This is easy connection for Mirrorlink. Support Android phone and iPhone. This Bluetooth. Okay, that's all. Thank you.